All my friends, welcome to Hobbies and Earning channel. The collection of different items is called a hobbies, and obviously a hobbies is a part of life. Yes, it's true. So hobbies are a part of life. I have so many hobbies like coins collections, stamps collections, and here you have seen a crown caps. Yeah, it's to be a Pakistan crown caps. First time watch my videos, like and subscribe my channel. And in this video I have lots of Pakistan crown caps, all brands of Pakistan crown caps. Here you have seen that is a Coca-Cola caps, and this is to be a Pepsi cap, and here you have seen a different brands like 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Fanta, Miranda, Gourmet, and lots of other caps too. And this cap is to be a single cap, yeah, and this is to be a, here you have seen caps that is called a set. That is a new Coca-Cola Urdu name set. I have lots of complete set of Pakistan's crown caps. If you want to see the complete set of, visit my Facebook page Pakistan Crown Caps. And here's to be a Pepsi crown cap set, that is emojis that can represent different Pakistan cultures and histories on Pepsi. Pakistan represents Pakistan culture in the form of emojis. And everybody who can interested to purchase these caps, kindly comment on these videos. If anybody can share this crown cap, also comment on this video. And lots of, as a hobby, lots of caps used as in the form of sets, in the form of decoration, to decorate different home decorations. Yeah, here we have seen a beautiful decoration pictures. That can used in a form of decorative way. But I'm not, I'm basically, my channel video is about how to earn money from crown caps. That's why I collect lots of Pakistani crown caps, single caps, as well as in the form of sets. Hope you can like this video of Pakistan crown caps. Subscribe my channel, and in the next coming videos I can show you the complete sets videos regarding different Pakistan crown caps which I have in my collections. Okay, bye from Hobbies and Earnings. Take care. Goodbye.